Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be comparing the Gucci Small Ophidia GG shoulder bag to the Celine Ava Triomphe bag. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. But today we do have a comparison. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, I have both of these bags here. So again, it's the Gucci bag right here, and we're gonna compare it to my brand new Celine Ava bag. There are some differences between these bags, but there are also some similarities. You can already tell they both have a very similar shape. So we'll go over price, we'll go over like versatility, wearability, quality, all that good stuff, and then hopefully it will help you make a decision on which one you like most if you were, I guess, like in between this Gucci bag or the Celine Ava. So let's start with the Gucci bag. Now I have had this bag for about a year now. I got her like November of 2022. I absolutely adore this bag. It's one of my favorites that I have in my collection, and as you can see, it does have the Gucci Supreme canvas print on it right here. It does have this cute little charm on it. Now I'm not entirely sure if Gucci has this bag with this charm on it now. I think the last time I saw it, it was a different type of charm, which is a shame because I love the strawberry charm. It's so cute. It has a chain gold strap right here, as you can see, that is removable. You can fully remove it from the D-rings. You can attach whatever type of strap you wanted to this bag. It does also come with a crossbody strap as well, but here is what the crossbody strap looks like. It's in the green and red, and it's kind of like a guitar strap. It's very thick. Now, like I said, this is of course going to be canvas. It is not full leather. You do have this leather trim at the top here, so you do have a tiny little bit of leather on this bag, but mostly it's canvas. Here is what the back looks like. It is just full canvas on the back right here. And then it does have this leather pull tassel, like a little pull tab. I currently have it stuffed, but here is what it looks like on the inside. It is just like a microfiber lining. It's not leather lined or anything like that. It does have one pocket at the back. It's like a leather pocket, but that's about it. That's all that is on the inside. This bag does retail for around $1,700. I want to say when I purchased it with after tax and shipping, I think there was no shipping, but with taxes, I want to say it was like $1,900. So right under $2,000 for this bag, which I personally think is a really good price. For this bag, you get a crossbody strap. The strap here is fully removable, so you can again get a different strap and use that if you wanted to. So it is a very versatile handbag. Let me go over the dimensions really quick with you on this one. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now on the website, and the charm that comes with it now is like this, like little GG charm. And it's not even really a charm. That is the pull tab now. So they've changed this bag around a bit, so they don't have this long leather pull tassel anymore. They just have that little GG right here. So if you like that, great. I personally like the little charm, the little strawberry charm. I think it's very cute. It's very Y2K, and we're like in a Y2K moment, I feel like. Going to the details, I'll just go over everything. Beige and ebony GG Supreme canvas, of course. Brown leather trim. The chain handle drop is 7.9 inches. So just this one right here, 7.9 inches. And then the adjustable canvas shoulder strap has a max drop length of 19.7 inches. That's this one right here. The width of this bag is going to be 9.8 inches wide. It is 6.1 inches high, and it is 2.4 inches in depth. and it does say weight approximately 1.1 pounds if you care about the weight of your bag. So yeah, that's this handbag. I want to say when it comes to the wearability of this bag, this is a 1,000,000% an everyday handbag. Well, I say that if you don't carry too much stuff. This bag does fit quite a lot of stuff. It's definitely not going to be like a tiny handbag. It's not a mini bag. It's still a small handbag, like it's on the smaller side, but it is not mini by any means. You can easily fit your essentials in this bag. I never really have to worry about like condensing down my items. The only thing that I ever have an issue with this bag is like fitting bulkier pieces, like my mini pochette accessoire does fit in this bag, but then I do have a little bit of a harder time fitting other things in with the mini pochette accessoire. Like it is wider here than it is here, so it does kind of like taper upwards, but the mini pochette accessoire is pretty big depending on what you keep inside of that. So I do have a tiny bit more issue putting stuff inside the mini pochette and putting it in here, but I can easily take all my items out of my mini pochette and not take that, and then I can fit phone easily. I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max that fits in no problem. I have hand sanitizer, lip balm, sunglasses. When it comes to like the style, I think this is a very casual handbag. I do think you can also dress her up, but in my opinion, she does kind of scream casual. She screams very free and fun. I think she can be definitely used all year round. If you were to wear her during the summer, it would be a fantastic choice, but also because of the color, she has like all this brown in with her. I think that she would be a great fall and winter handbag as well. Probably more fall, but I think that she literally works all year round. Let's move on now to the Celine. So here is my new Celine bag. This is the newest member to my collection, and if you did not see my unboxing video recently, I will have it linked in the description because I posted it like last week, so it's brand new. Here is what she looks like in all of her glory. This is the brand new Celine Ava Triomphe bag. So she is in the Ava, I guess, category. If you know, Celine has their Ava bags, which is probably one of their most iconic styles. But this new rendition that they came out with literally a couple months ago, I want to say this came out like late June, early July, something like that. Now, I was not able to get this bag when my essay initially let me know about it. I really wanted it, but he was like, it's gonna sell out immediately, so you kind of need to be on a wish list. I can definitely get you on a wish list if you want to, but we would have to put a card down. And at the time, I was not able to do that. So I basically was like, well, I'm not gonna be able to get this bag, so I didn't worry about it. And then the other day, like a couple weeks ago, I was just happening to scroll online and I was like, let me just look at the Celine website really quick. So I did. I went to this bag and they had one left in stock and I bought it so fast. They did kind of combine the Ava style with the beautiful Triomphe logo in the center there, if you can see that. So beautiful. And then here is what the back looks like. This is going to be a full leather handbag. This is 100% calfskin, as well as the gold toned hardware. And then it does say like Celine Paris on the D-rings, and it has Celine Paris on the Triomphe little logo here. And then of course it has Celine on the zipper pull tab. That is what the bag looks like on the outside. Now, one thing with this handbag compared to the Gucci is that this is basically only a shoulder bag, whereas the Gucci can be worn as a shoulder bag, it can be worn as a crossbody bag. This one, the strap is attached on this side. So it is fully attached here. You can't really take it off. You can adjust it on this side. So you can make it a little bit shorter or a little bit longer, but that's all you're going to be able to do. You cannot really crossbody this bag. So if you are somebody that likes a little more versatility, then I would totally go with the Gucci. Now, again, this is a full leather handbag compared to the Gucci that is a canvas bag, mostly canvas. This one's full leather. We open it like this. And then it also has a zipper closure. I have all of my stuff in here right now because this has been like my everyday handbag as of late, but I will still show you what the inside looks like. As you can see, it is lined. It's actually a calfskin suede lining on the inside as well. So that definitely makes it a lot more, I guess, bougie. Is there a pocket? Yes, there is one pocket on the inside also. So right there, if you can see, it's not big enough to like fit a phone or anything. You can maybe fit something smaller, like a little pocket mirror, or I don't know, gum. But yeah, it doesn't fit a phone, but that's what the inside looks like. And then let's go over the dimensions of this bag as well, and then I'll get into like price and everything. Oh my God, there's actually one available right now on the website in both colors. It also comes in black. So if you like black more than the tan, and they're both available to add to cart right now. Oh my God. If they're still available by the time this video goes up tomorrow, then it's there, but it might have already sold out by the time I post this video. Going over everything here, this bag is 10 inches long, so 10 inches wide. It is 7 inches high, and it is 4 inches in depth. And then again, it is calfskin, and it has a suede calfskin lining, gold finish, shoulder and hand carry, of course, no crossbody strap or anything. There is an adjustable strap here, so the minimum strap drop is 8 inches and the maximum strap drop is 9 inches. So definitely not too versatile when it comes to this bag. Again, it's a shoulder bag. If you like shoulder bags, then you'll love this bag. If you don't like shoulder bags, then you won't like this bag. It kind of comes down to that. This handbag does retail for $2,600. Now I know that it is a definite jump between this one and this one, but you do have to know that this one is again full leather on the outside and on the inside. So that right there probably is what kind of hikes up the price. I don't know, this is just my opinion, but I'm probably just incorrect, and like you don't have to listen to me, but I personally think that Celine might be more of like, I guess, a luxury, like they're all luxury brands. Like I'm trying to say this to where it makes sense and to where you're not going to be like, what do you mean? They're all luxury brands. All of these brands are at a luxury price point. All of these brands are really great quality. It's just that when I think of Gucci, I think that Gucci is more readily available to the masses compared to Celine. I know that a lot of people love Celine and have Celine pieces, but I feel like more people know about Gucci for one. It's very iconic. It's very loud. A lot of their pieces are more for like the maximalist. It is a loud brand. So whereas Celine definitely is a bit more, not understated, but they do have that, I guess, quiet luxury feel. Even though this has a giant logo on it, unless you knew exactly what logo this was from, you may not know. Whereas this right here, you're absolutely probably going to know what the Gucci logo looks like. So I feel like the Celine brand in general has a tiny bit more prestige in my opinion, so maybe that's why it's more expensive. I have no idea. Maybe it's just the fact that the whole thing's leather. I don't really know for sure. And then also on the top here it says Celine. I forgot to show that. But yeah, this one is $2,600. That is what it was on the website, and that is exactly what I paid. There was no taxes, no shipping. Whereas this bag right here was $1,700, but with taxes. No shipping for this bag, I don't think, but with taxes, it ended up being almost $2,000. There is that, but there definitely is still like a $500–600 price difference between these bags. If you are somebody that really wanted the Celine, then I do think you should save up for it. If you're not like super into crossbodying, if you don't care, if you love just the look of the top handle / shoulder bag, I would totally go with this one. This handbag as well is very comfortable. It's so comfy. Like I have literally never felt a shoulder bag more comfortable than this bag. You just sling it on and it just stays. It just stays. I don't know what it is. Like it has never fallen off. It has never been a problem. It just stays on my shoulder. This bag also can fit quite a bit more than the Gucci bag. As you can see here, it is a little bit thicker. It is a little bit wider, as you can tell by the dimensions, but this right here does indeed fit my mini pochette accessoire, like with no issues, and I can fit a lot more things inside with it. So I can fit my mini pochette accessoire in here, and then also fit like my other items like hand cream. I can fit of course my wallet, and then I can also fit my AirPods on top of that. And then I can also fit like a few little bits and bobs like a pin, lipstick, and then like a travel fragrance as travel fragrance as well. So I can definitely fit a lot more in this bag compared to the Gucci handbag. Relatively similar, but this one does end up just fitting a bit more that I have found. But you guys, that has been my comparison between the Gucci small Ophidia GG shoulder bag compared to my new Celine Ava Triomphe bag. Please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, which one would you actually end up going for. Just leave me a comment telling me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching this video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and the subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!